In the era of information, safeguarding personal data has become paramount. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, introduced a comprehensive framework to enhance the protection of personal data across Europe. A pivotal element in this framework is the Data Protection Officer, DPO. The DPO is at the heart of ensuring compliance within organizations, facilitating a culture of data protection by design and by default. When is designating a DPO mandatory? The GDPR mandates the appointment of a DPO in 3 specific scenarios: public authorities or bodies. All public authorities and bodies, regardless of the data they process, must appoint a DPO. Core activities requiring regular and systematic monitoring. Organizations that systematically monitor individuals on a large scale as a core activity must appoint a DPO. Large-scale processing of special categories of data. Organizations that process special categories of personal data or data relating to criminal convictions and offenses on a large scale need to have a DPO in place. The role and position of the DPO. A DPO's responsibility is not only to oversee compliance with GDPR but also to act as an intermediary among stakeholders, including supervisory authorities, data subjects, and business units within an organization. It's critical to understand that the DPO should operate independently, without receiving any instructions regarding the execution of their tasks. To ensure this independence, the DPO should not hold any position within the organization that leads them to determine the purposes and means of processing personal data. Organizations must ensure the DPO is involved in all issues related to data protection from the beginning. Adequate resources, support, and access to personal data and processing operations should be provided to the DPO. The DPO must report directly to the highest level of management. Key tasks of a DPO. The GDPR outlines specific tasks for the DPO, including monitoring compliance. The DPO oversees the organization's adherence to GDPR, including obligations related to data protection impact assessments, DPIAs, data processing activities, and policy implementation. Advice and training. Providing advice on GDPR compliance and training staff involved in data processing operations. Cooperation and contact point. The DPO serves as the contact point for the supervisory authority on issues related to processing, including the consultation prior to processing operations that pose high risks to data subjects. Best practices for organizations. To fully leverage the expertise of a DPO and ensure GDPR compliance, organizations should facilitate regular and comprehensive training for the DPO on data protection matters. Include the DPO in the early stages of any project or process that involves personal data. Ensure the DPO has visibility and involvement in all matters of data protection, highlighting the importance of data protection within the organizational culture. Conclusion. The DPO plays a crucial role in navigating the complexities of GDPR compliance. By ensuring the DPO is adequately positioned, resourced, and involved, organizations can foster a culture of data protection that not only complies with regulatory requirements but also promotes trust and transparency with data subjects. In an age where data breaches are costly, both financially and reputationally, the DPO is a cornerstone of accountability and a competitive advantage for businesses committed to data protection excellence.